This is disturbing. Hurricane Beryl has wreaked havoc on Houston. Early Monday morning, Hurricane Beryl made landfall near Matagorda as a Category 1 storm, packing 80 miles per hour winds. By the time Beryl reached Houston, it had already claimed 3 lives. 2 victims were killed by fallen trees on their homes, one in Humble and another in northwest Houston. Tragically, a Houston PD employee drowned while driving to work. Beryl's impact didn't end there. More than 2.2 million residents are without power, with CenterPoint yet to provide a restoration timeline. Harris County Judge Lena Hidalgo emphasized ongoing issues like flooding, power outages, and dangerous road conditions. Shelters are being opened for those in need. Local officials conducted nearly 50 high-water rescues and over 1,000 flights were canceled. St. Luke's Health Brazosport Hospital lost power, leading to patient transfers. Federal and state agencies are mobilizing. President Biden and FEMA are closely monitoring the situation.